Hi there, and welcome to today's safety training on the Cherry's Industrial Pallet Inverter. This machine is a powerful tool designed to safely rotate full pallet loads, but only when it's used properly. Today, we're going to walk through how to operate it safely, inspect it before use, and avoid common hazards. The Cherry's Industrial Pallet Inverter is a single clamp machine with a 4,400-pound weight limit. It's designed to rotate loads 180 degrees for pallet swaps, product transfers, or replacing damaged pallets. This unit uses a pendant control on a 30-foot cable, giving the operator plenty of room to work from a safe and comfortable distance. On the pendant, you'll find clearly labeled buttons for every key function. Press clamp to secure the load and unclamp to release it. Use invert or rotate to flip the load depending on how your unit is labeled. The inverter only moves while you're actively holding a button. As soon as you release it, the motor stops immediately. The emergency stop button cuts power instantly in case of any problem. This machine uses a Category 4 safety circuit, the highest level of protection, a photoelectric sensor that acts like a virtual gate. Once triggered, it can be reset via the pendant switch to resume operation. When the area is clear, you'll see a green light. But if anything enters the zone, even a hand or a foot, the light turns red and the machine automatically disables operation. This system helps protect operators and bystanders from entering the danger zone during rotation. Always wait for the green light before starting a cycle, and never try to bypass or block the sensor. Key safety features include fixed side guards, an emergency stop button, and adjustable clamp pressure. This machine relies on your attentiveness and safe habits to prevent accidents. Before every shift, you must perform a pre-use inspection. Confirm all guards are securely in place. Like any hydraulic system, this pallet inverter relies on clean, properly maintained fluid to function safely. Always check for visible leaks, inspect hose connections, and keep an eye on the reservoir level. Be sure to follow the labeled instructions for routine maintenance. Poorly maintained equipment isn't just a hassle, it's a liability. If you notice any issues, report them immediately and let trained maintenance staff handle the rest. Test the emergency stop button. It should instantly cut power. Make sure warning labels are present and readable. Examine the clamping plate and frame for visible wear or damage. If something doesn't look right, stop and report it before using the machine. Always wear proper PPE when operating this inverter. Hard hat to protect from falling materials. Steel toe shoes for foot protection. Safety glasses, especially around banded or loose products. Work gloves for load handling if applicable. Avoid loose clothing, jewelry, or anything that could get caught in the machine. Set up a safe area before starting. Keep the floor clean, dry, and free of debris. Mark a clear perimeter around the inverter. Ensure the light curtains are always aligned. Clear the space and make sure the curtains turn green. If not, there might be an alignment issue. If service is ever needed, whether for maintenance, troubleshooting, or cleaning inside the guarded area, the inverter must be placed in lockout, tagout condition. This inverter uses a fortress lock system with an AVT voltage detector to guarantee the high voltage panel cannot be opened while energized. To begin, switch off the sequestered panel, then press the AVT test button. If the lights are red, voltage is still present. Wait until the indicator turns green, confirming power has been removed. Only when the green light is on will the panel door unlock, allowing safe access. This ensures the panel can only be opened once it is safe. Lockout, tagout must always be carried out by trained and authorized personnel only. Operators should never attempt these steps themselves. For the full step-by-step procedure, including the mechanical lockout bars for the clamp, rotation, and basket, refer to the owner's manual, pages 20 and 21. To load the inverter, use a forklift to place the load squarely onto the platform, flush against the fixed back plate. Make sure the load is under 4,400 pounds and between 42 and 90 inches tall. Note: You will need to allow 6 inches of egress for easy loading, so a maximum height of 84 inches is recommended. After setting the load, back away slowly with the forklift. Keep people clear of the opposite side at all times. Never use your hands to reposition a load inside the inverter. Use the pendant switch to slowly close the clamp. This inverter has a relief valve for pressure. If it is set correctly, it will eliminate any damage from squeezing the load. Once the load is secure, use the rotation control on the pendant to invert the load 180 degrees. Watch for wobbling, shifting loads, unusual sounds. If anything feels unsafe, stop immediately. Once the load has been rotated, remove the old pallet or replace any damaged product and discard it safely. And just like that, this product, which might have otherwise been rejected, is now ready to be received and put back into circulation. When you're done, power off the inverter, clean the area, report any issues. Never leave a slightly turned load unattended. If you ever have questions, need replacement parts, or require service support, contact Cherry's Industrial at 877-350-2748 or by email at service@cherrysyn.com. This concludes the safety video for the Cherry's Industrial Pallet Inverter. Stay alert, follow procedures, and let's keep safety and productivity running strong.